The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Eish go.
Clack it.
Is welcome and welcome back to my channel, Debut Wambo Kama Kawa. Ida with another hot, interesting outfit video. And yes, guys, mgeni wa leo, you're not even ready. So in the count of 1, 2, 3, drum roll. Yeah, karibu sana our guest. How beautiful. How are you? You look nice, you look amazing, you look awesome, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Ni gani tumeacha? You look fabulous and pretty, yeah. Do you introduce before tujaanza, mama?
I'm Kelly Kangao on TikTok, Instagram,
Facebook na WhatsApp. Okay, wapi kuna uzito, tuanza na wapi?
Twende huko chini, tuanze huko chini.
Okay, how much for the heel?
2,500.
Can we see it? Can you just Ish go. How much for the, is this a dress, a skirt, or
It's a boho skirt.
how much for the boho skirt?
1,500.
Okay, how much for the corset?
Corset, it's 500.
Can you give us a 360?
360?
Yeah. How much for the top?
300.
How much for the scarf?
I don't remember. Sikumbuki hiyo, but I guess ilikuwa tu hapo 150, 200.
Okay, how much for the handbag shows like this?
1,500.
Ish, babe, mama with fans. Anyway, can you leave us with a word of encouragement or a Bible quote?
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ish, go.
Clack it.
Anyway, I appreciate your time.
Yeah.
I don't take it for granted. See, God bless you and asante sana.
Amen.
Have a nice time. Bye.
Bye.